Once upon a time, in the cozy little village of Willowbrook, there lived 6 inseparable friends. Liam, Sophie, Max, Ella, Ollie, and Luna. Each of them was different, yet they fit together like pieces of a perfect puzzle. Liam, the clever one, loved solving mysteries. Sophie had a heart so kind. Animals often trusted her more than people. Max, strong and brave, was everyone's protector. Ella, endlessly curious, always had her nose buried in a book. Ollie, the jokester, kept everyone laughing no matter what. And quiet, mysterious Luna? She held a secret no one could quite figure out, but it glimmered just like the stars. One bright, sunny morning, destiny came knocking. While cleaning out Sophie's attic, the friends discovered an ancient map, its edges worn with time. On it was etched the location of a treasure deep in the Enchanted Forest, a magical gem said to grant one wish to whoever found it. Eyes wide with wonder, the 6 friends knew what they had to do. They would find the gem together. The journey began that very afternoon. With backpacks filled to the brim and hearts brimming with excitement, they ventured into the forest. But, as with any great adventure, their path was far from easy. 3 special challenges awaited them. The first was the Bridge of Riddles. A fragile wooden bridge creaked ominously over a deep ravine, and in their path, a glowing owl appeared. "Solve my riddle and you may cross," it hooted. "I have keys, but open no locks. What am I?" The friends exchanged uncertain glances, but then Liam's face lit up. "A piano!" he exclaimed confidently. The owl nodded, and just like that, the bridge became sturdy, allowing them to cross safely. The first challenge was conquered. Next, they stumbled upon the laughing river, roaring with giggling fish that chattered nonstop. "To cross," called the fish, "you must make us laugh!" Ollie grinned and immediately went to work, pulling the silliest faces and cracking jokes so ridiculous that even the crankiest fish doubled over with laughter. Chuckling, the fish created a pathway of stepping stones for the friends to hop across. Finally came the Tower of Whispers, golden and imposing. At the door, a wise old parrot whispered, "Only someone with a pure heart may enter." At that moment, Sophie noticed a tiny, injured bird on the ground. Without hesitation, she gently scooped it up, singing softly as she helped it fly again. The tower's doors creaked open in response, revealing the glowing, magical gem inside. As the friends marveled, Luna stepped forward. For the first time, her voice rang out, clear and steady. "I wish for endless happiness, not just for us, but for everyone in our village." The gem glowed brighter than the sun, sending golden light cascading over Willowbrook. And from that day on, the little village became the happiest place on earth, filled with laughter, kindness, and the unbreakable bond of 6 best friends who had shared the adventure of a lifetime. The end.